Será multado o remolcado.
Alright, what's up YouTube? We about to take a little trip to Mexico. We about to go to a legal car meet. So we're gonna meet y'all there. I'm taking my little brother with me. Say what's up to the camera, man.
What's up?
This little E right there. We got the cat. We got the BBL, Scatty. We got another Scat back there. 5-0 on the way. And we got a ZL1 coming, man. We about to be doing a whole lot of sliding, a whole lot of everything, man. We about to meet y'all out there. Man, that boy car sound broke.
Tell us again. They ain't got no jurisdiction over here.
Yeah, I told you.
That shit ain't jumping like the last one, man. Police don't get here.
I see this coming now.
That's your car? That's your car? That ain't your car? Oh.
That's all I care about.
Nah, you good. Yeah. Yeah. You wanna take, go ahead, take straight. What happened?
No tag emotion.
I can't put no tag on.
Hey, but coming to this nigga, tell this nigga, get some tags so niggas can tag him. I go in the front, man. Let me hear that motherfucker.
talk about
Hey,
this.
none of these people got no cat. We about to die out here now.
Great, smell nothing but fumes. Them niggas ain't getting out this motherfucker. Man, what the hell going on right here? This where the traffic jam at. Niggas ain't know how to park. Man, this shit don't park this little shit. We get some good. Yo, what are they doing? He's trying to turn around. Hey, tell everybody to do a burner right here. Watch out. Tell everybody to do a burner right here. You ain't got no backup camera? Yeah, this nigga don't know how to drive. Hey man, this nigga know how to drive? Oh, he nervous. Nigga said it's a car right there. It's like that motherfucker. I like to hear right there. God, come on, man. Oh, them niggas behind there taking pictures and shit.
The fucking blue.
They gonna get somebody. That nigga's dick. E63, that's that bitch hard. That bitch sounds good, boy. Yo. Oh yeah, that mean we need to be last motherfucking lead.
They got the goddamn national guard right here.
What them boy got top boy got top off.
They got the national guard.
I think they wait for people to do dumb shit at this one. That's what I like to see. Yeah. Hey, this ain't not a room up to do some stupid shit right here. Hey, the camera make niggas do stupid shit. The camera make niggas do dumb shit. Hey, Jarrell, I keep it. Hey, I keep it this nigga. Fuck you.
Bingo! I got action.
New location, man. We're in the legal pit, What happened? All right, go ahead. slide your jump, bro. Might as well hop in
I ain't
there.
comfortable, man. I ain't comfortable, bro.
You might as well hop in that pit.
Hell no.
Hop in the pit.
Fuck no.
Slam, bro. My baby right here. I don't know if I should hop in the pit or not, man. Gotta get this shit. Everybody tipping. Tell them pull up. Hit my fucking car now.
How did the police find us, bro? He came out of nowhere.
Mueva su auto, de lo contrario será multado o remolcado. No parking, stopping, or standing. Please move your car or you will be ticketed or towed.
Top flow boss.
Mike
God,
True down, you making noise.
God,
Mike
God, God,
Mike
God,
Wilmer.
God.